Hey everyone, we're the only ones here?
Hey Marco. It's Marcus.
Yeah, it's Marcus.
We're the early birds.
We are. I think we should put a 5:30 pre-party meeting or something on the list.
How late is it? 5:30.
Oh, for me, yeah, Eastern Standard Time.
Oh.
I was saying, I think on the list, we should put a half-hour pre-discussion on the list.
Yeah, I would love that.
Hello guys, how are you?
Hi Eric. Good, and you?
Fine. Connecting right now. For me is early in the morning. And for you?
Here it's noon. More or less.
Fine.
Checking out your homepage, Marco.
Yeah, it's coming along. Still a lot I want to do to it. Still, probably the biggest thing is going to be the editing. And I do want to connect the blockchain to it. So a
Are you
lot of stuff.
hosted on the blockchain or?
Well, I mean, I don't know what Sybase is doing, but I do want to connect it. I do want to read from the blockchain and add some stuff to it pretty soon, at least for our next season.
Cool.
But there's some more videos that we should get, some more, make it easier for new users and connect with the more active projects. So there's a lot in the works.
Cool.
I like.
How do you build your homepage?
Well, I'm using Elementor, and I wanted
Like WordPress.
I'm using WordPress, and that allows me to use WordProof. It allows me to add a lot of stuff pretty easy. But I really wanted it to be different than other sites in design. I wanted to make sure that when people come there, that's different. That's not just some same designer being paid or following the thing. So I do want, and I've always done that. So I would like to really make reading from the blockchain stick out. So again, there's a lot to it. I like to get in comments when people can go in there with the community. Make it easier maybe to connect with the chat bot or EOS Support. But live things are going on. It's briefs, but it's also something going on live. I know somebody has alerts. Somebody's working on that in a Pomelo grant. I'd love to connect with them. See if they have an RSS feed for that.
Like if something happens on your account, you get an alert, something like that?
No, I think it's new projects. I think that's what they're working on, or new releases from the ENF or anybody else who have something out like on a Twitter. The moment it comes out, people get an alert. I think I haven't looked into it that much.
Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. Yeah.
I know EOS Support is working along lines of something like that for the new website, but I'm not really sure when or exactly how that's going to connect, but I'm sure that we'll be able to connect closer to EOS.
Coolio. Gotta improve my audio. Maybe I can still do that.
Hi, Dario. Anyone know if we need to sign out to create a link for a room?
Sign out where, Marco?
Sign out of the community room to create the,
Yeah, I
meeting.
think so. Because I can't create one now. Like the button is not clickable.
Good to know, thanks. All right, I'll be back in, actually, I think I'm gonna sign off real quick. We sit on the computer. I'll see you guys in probably 10 or 15.
Okay, see you soon. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Hi, Sebastian. Your audio is really low.
Is it better?
Wow. Now you're like sitting next to me.
Okay, like this. Is it good like this?
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Nicholas.
Hello, Nicolas.
Hi guys.
Hey, does anyone know if EOS Support has ever maxed out a Pomelo season by getting a maximum of the matching pool it can?
Hello, Marco. Great to see you.
Hi, Charles. Good to see you.
And hello, everyone else. Welcome to the new EOS Respect election. Let's see. Put a good background and up. So, for the first season of EOS Support, I think Pomelo, we did pretty good. We were in the first top 3. I don't remember if we maxed it out, but we were pretty close at the first and second season, I reckon.
Thanks. I was thinking with the new projects and the coming of the EVM and the open season to focus on donating to EOS Support and audit and learn to earn, love them. I just didn't want to be inefficient.
Well, donating to the main EOS support grant is the best thing ever, always. So yes, this season we have many new grants. So for this new EOS Respect elections, we're here again together to build a more trusting ecosystem with more accountability and everything. And we have many new grants to support that. So of course, there's always the EOS Support main one, you can find on Pomelo. And we have also the audit grant for the researchers, the people that will audit every project and will need them. So afterwards, we have the EOS Synergy grant. So we are seeking to build even more events, such as the giveaway show, as us doing a great job animating the EOS Synergy show. And we plan to have many others. So the goal is to, if you know someone or if you yourself want to do a show about EOS, educate your community, we can help. I've been helping us set up his show for some weeks now. And after all, yes, we have the Learn and Earn grant. So that's the giveaway show. That's all the giveaways and everything that we need to make sure that we continue to do the giveaway show, make it a great time for everyone. And of course, again, educate people about EOS or the newcomers. We're going to sooner or later reach the bear market or bull market. So we need it more than ever now to be ready for the next wave of growth for EOS. And well, welcome so far to everyone that has joined. And there'll be 10 minutes left until the beginning of the elections. Hope you are all doing good today. And so, those that are watching this recording later down the line, let's do a quick recap of what EOS Respect is all about. Maybe someone would like to start. Sebastian or anyone else. What is EOS Respect for you? What are we all doing here?
Hi, how are you? Can you hear me all right?
Yeah, perfect.
All right. Yeah, EOS Respect for me is like a really nice iteration of the refractory process, and yeah, I find it very impressive that it is like its own entity that has no central figure essentially, but still is able to execute on a decentralized manner, and having that yeah, done in a way which is also kind of democratic, I think makes a lot of sense. So yeah, that's what I think about it.
Yeah, pretty good summary. Anyone else? What is EOS Respect to you? The official line, let's see, for everyone. So yes, we're here to identifying the best community projects. Everyone is free to join us as an affiliated project with EOS Support. And here the community, well, holds delegates accountable to fulfill the promises they make. So including the ones that extend beyond the projects. We're here mainly to support, yes, many of our own projects, but the goal also is to support other projects in the EOS community. So we gather at the elections and we encourage everyone not to donate maybe to your own projects, but to donate to other projects. You'll be with other people in your own rooms today, and we highly welcome you to hear them out and donate to their own projects. That way, the community can see that others are donating to other projects, and that enables more cooperation and incentivizes others to donate to those projects as well. So if you earn funds during these elections, remember, donate some to other projects. They'll see distributions on Pomelo, see that everyone rewards other projects in the EOS Respect community. And that will show that we are all here in this together. So sure, if you receive funding for your own projects, fine. But remember, donating to others, especially on Pomelo, well, that gives good visibility to our own projects and each other's. So I highly welcome you to consider donating to other people in your groups if they have projects that you respect. And a reminder, yes, so Pomelo has new rules and you can donate to your own projects directly on Pomelo, but you can also do direct donations as always to your own projects. That doesn't change. And so quick reminder about how the elections are going to unfold. Same as the last ones, once you know in which room you are in 5 minutes, you'll be able to create your own Zoom call to gather all the people in your group with you. So once you receive the confirmation of who you are with, just decide one of you to create the link, post it in the Slack channel for your own Zoom room and start the recording. And once you have the recording and everything, you'll be able to post it after the election. Hello, Dario. Everyone so far who has joined. Sukanta, great to see you again.
Hello.
Ran.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hey,
Nice,
good to see you again.
nice to meet you. See you again.
Good to see you, guys.
And great to have this opportunity to meet with each other once a month.
Nice background, Dario. You have all the logos now gathered.
Thanks to Bishop.
Awesome. Branded.
Getting more and more, yeah.
We're going to end up like a Ferrari or a football player with every sponsor.
Formula One.
Formula One, yeah.
If we put all affiliated projects, yeah, it would be full, I guess.
Next time with the Marlboro cap.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh,
EOS Support cap is underway, like since
Hey,
I
sure.
think I ordered it in September. So yeah, 5 months ago, 6 months ago.
You let them create some? Yeah? In Brazil or?
Yeah, in Brazil, yeah. That's why it takes so long, I guess.
Hmm.
Yeah, can't wait for our merchandise or the new platform.
Yeah, so remind everyone, yes, we have a new website, a new second version of your support website that is coming with many new improvements. So as always, we're going to have an EOS roadmap, a the app collection for everyone. You're going to have your own dashboard profile there, community hubs for your language to share content and information about EOS. But also, yeah, of course, we're going to have a new merchandise website. So finally able to get your EOS t-shirts, sell some to your friends, and show it off for years together. So can't wait to have that as well. All right. So quick reminder for Monday. You are also able, as always, before each election to post your promises if you're going to run in English in the Monday board. If English is not your main language and you're more comfortable just writing down everything. So people, once the room opens, may be able to check that to know what your project is about. And of course, after the election, we're going to do a quick recap on the accounting work. Reminder for everyone that after each election, if you are elected delegate, you have to report on the promises of your project. Doing that on the Monday board, one of our tools. Doing a recap on that after the show. And let's see. We have a minute to go.
Short question. Has there been any process? Sorry I came late, by the way, but any process now? Who sets up a link so we don't spend 10 minutes looking for what link? Is there any process in order? Otherwise, maybe the one who feels in their group they have the lowest alphabet name in the beginning. First letter is the lowest alphabet. That's the one who make a link or something. What do you think?
I would just say everyone tries, and the first who gets it done.
Fair enough. Yeah, because maybe the person who is lowest in the alphabet doesn't have a Zoom capacity or whatever. Yeah, fair enough. Just wondered.
Right.
Just post the group name and the Zoom link.
And maybe someone
everybody who's trying to create the link can see in the Slack chat. So somebody else posted it, and then just click on the link.
Why I'm saying things is I also have views on a few other things, because I've been going through all the Eden election software or elections and videos, 25 of them. Thank you. So I learned quite a bit.
I can imagine.
Yeah, it's just temporary. It should be much easier soon. Yeah. I hope next month. Yeah.
Very shortly now.
It's not easy, it's coding.
Definitely Cody. Right. And beginning momentarily with the elections. Countdown has ended. Let's see.
Unexpected error on my side.
Yeah, it happens at the beginning. White chart.
Like,
This time there was no issue in the end. Let's see.
Oh, well, I'm in the same room with Sebastian and Charles, so yes.
All right. Yeah, we have the rooms. I'm going to post a little snapshot of it.
where do we post like the link to the video?
The link to the video recording of your room, you're going to be able to post that at the end of the elections.
No. I mean, like on Slack.
On Slack,
Yes,
yes.
on Slack. Yeah, sure.
Just tag the other people that are in your room on Slack and let them know that you have the link to your Zoom call.
All right.
I'm going to be creating mine for Sebastian, Christian, Peter, Marco, and Giancarlo.
By the way, I see 32 participants. Any remember what last month was?
We have the numbers on our website. We have a page on EOS Support in the Learning Center that has the data on that. You can check that after. All right, I'll create the Zoom link to my room. You can announce it here if you want.
And create it for group number 1.
Thanks.
Group 1. Well, Marcus, you're on group 6, Marcus. All right, I create mine. I'll see you all after the elections. I'll be back to the community room right after to go over the accounting and everything. All right, have a good election, everyone, and see you after.
Will we just stay in this room or?
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, is this the election room or are you already in breakout?
No, this is the main community room. You have to go. You have to see on EOS Respect election. Like there should be a link, and you should just click on it, and you should be able to join your room with that.
So the UI works?
Sorry?
Yeah, EOS Respect UI works. The link that's shown there works.
Yeah, it should work. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm having trouble with my group actually, but
okay. No problem. I'll try to figure it out. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah,
Bye.
no worries.
Hey, what's going on, bro?
Ça va, mec, j'arrive pas à trouver le lien là. Il n'y a plus personne, genre. J'ai l'impression d'être tout seul. Genre, mais personne a en fait, personne a créé le lien pour pour mon groupe. Je sais pas quel. Enfin, je sais pas, je connais le nom des gens dans mon groupe, mais je connais pas le numéro de mon groupe. Et genre, moi, quand je veux créer moi-même un lien, ça marche pas. Il me dit you may have deleted or did have permission to view it. Like, je comprends pas. Je veux pas créer le lien en fait. Alors, du coup, je suis un peu baisé. Et en plus, j'ai pas accès à Slack, je comprends pas.
T'as pas accès à Slack?
Bah, d'habitude, il marche le lien vers Slack, mais là, aujourd'hui, il marche pas, je comprends absolument pas. Ça a aucun sens.
Attends, je vais te dire. Attends, c'est qui les gens dans ton groupe?
C'est. Attends. C'est. Non, attends. Il y a 3 Asiates. Et il y a Lucas Persic là.
Alors.
Je sais pas comment. Moi, j'arrive pas. T'arrives à voir les groupes des autres là? Parce que moi, je vois pas. Hein.
Bah, moi, je suis sur Slack.
Ah, bah ouais, mais moi c'est Slack, ça marche pas. Je peux pas.
Ah oui, je vois.
Essaie de me demander s'ils ont le lien pour que je les rejoigne, parce que moi, là, je le vois pas le lien. Genre, même sur l'interface utilisateur d'EOS Respect, genre, j'ai aucun lien qui est créé. J'ai l'impression que personne n'a créé le lien, genre. Je suis avec Lucas Persic, Johan.
Je sais, t'es avec une chinoise là. Attends, je lui demande de me donner le lien et je te l'envoie.
Ensuite, peut-être. Parce que toi, t'as le lien de ton groupe déjà?
Ouais, il y a un mec qui a déjà créé.
Ok. Mais eux, à mon avis, ils ont rien créé, sinon je le verrais normalement.
Tu le verrais où? T'as pas
Bah,
assez
mais sur EOS Respect, non?
Non, c'est que sur Slack. Genre,
Ah, mais putain, mais moi, mon Slack, il déconne, genre.
T'inquiète, mais je crois ils sont à la traîne aussi, les gens. T'es avec Gion. Gion, il a envoyé un message. Mais il a rien créé pour l'instant. Je lui dis de créer. Là, il y a Mini là qui a parlé.
Dès
qu'ils envoient le lien, je te dis.
Ok. Je comprends pas pourquoi j'ai pas accès à Slack là, je comprends pas, c'est chaud.
Attends, moi faut que je retrouve aussi mon groupe. Ah oui, là.
Si je fais ça sur. Ah ok, Slack ça marche. Putain mais. En fait, je suis en invocation privée pour EOS Respect. Ah bah non, ça marche pas. Putain mais. Slack il déconne. Peut-être parce que je suis en Thaïlande, genre il aime pas. Ah si, c'est bon. Putain mais what the fuck. Wow, il est en full bug. Ah, il est en full bug. Ok. Ouais, Slack il veut pas marcher. On est que deux là, on entend parler ou c'est.
Ah c'est bon, ah oui, t'es avec Thuck. Il a mis le lien dans. T'as Slack ou pas là du coup?
Bah attends, je regarde. Bah non.
Ok,
Non, ça
attends,
marche
je te
pas.
l'envoie, attends.
Envoie sur Telegram, ouais.
Tiens, hop, sur Telegram, ok.
Ouais, envoie sur Telegram.
Inché. Ça, c'est ton groupe, normalement.
Ah, ok, super. Bah vas-y, bisous, gros.
Vas-y, bisous.
Press.
I don't know, maybe we should have a game during these community rooms.
No. Like old school ping pong. That'll be fine.
Yeah, I always think these should be more than Web 2 format. Like a seed, advancing NFTs or advancing something that anyone that is still motivated can continue the effort.
Okay, let's hope Chrome works.
Still got about 7 minutes left.
We have 6 new members, new participants at least.
Anyone have any good jokes?
Yeah, some good jokes would be nice, right? How was your round?
It was good. It was good. Someone called Marcus got chosen delegate, I guess on merit.
Yeah, great.
If you didn't understand me, Marcus, I was joking, teasing.
You said you would tell a joke, no? So
I was asking for jokes, It makes life easier.
Hi guys, hi everyone.
Welcome back.
Hi Bishop, hi everyone.
Looks like we got consensus on everyone.
Let's check that. Indeed, already consensus in all the groups.
Oh, so I don't even have to vote.
No, it's all right.
Now I downloaded Chromium because Google Chrome's not available for Linux, and it still doesn't work. So I used Brave, Chromium, and Firefox, and all 3 of them don't show checkboxes. Even I mean, I
use blocks, vote manually.
Yeah, I will do that now. I just hope that.
did you try out the Iron browser?
Iron? I'm not familiar with it.
You can also try to open a window in incognito mode. That helps sometimes as well.
I have 7 minutes left, so I should maybe just do it manually.
Yeah, try manually, just in case.
Oh, I'm blocked from the Notion page.
Right. So let's see, who do we have? Right, so first of all, congratulations to our own delegate, Marco, in our group. And let's see for the others, we have Veronica in group 2. We have Sukanta, let's go in group 3. Gion, group 4. With 4 consensus, nice as well. Nicola Dawana, congratulations in your own group for USBs. And Marcus, which has already uploaded the video. Let's go. Can we do a quick recap then on the delegates' promises? Marcus, what were you elected for this time around?
We found consensus as a group to support 4 projects this time. So we decided to take the affiliated projects we had in our group to the Moon marketing, Twitter marketing, Lenny's recaps, EOS Turkey, and my proposal was also to support EOS Synergy. So we found consensus on that, and yeah, I'm happy to can be of worth this time as well, again as a delegate, and we'll keep track of the projects and wait for the informations I gather from them to provide accountability.
Yeah, well, that's great to hear. I'm very pleased to hear that, yeah, more people are donating to other projects and coming together not only to elect one project among themselves, but to reach consensus on the variety of projects that deserve receive funding. That's the way to go. The more people donate to as many projects as they can, the more visibility for all of them in the end. So if you have direct donations or receive donations for your own projects, that's great. If you can find consensus on many more than one, that's even better. And let's see about the other delegates. We have Veronica as well, elected delegate in your group.
I can speak for Veronica because she has a bad connection. We did it over chat. And she wrote that she wanted to support EOS Audit and EOS Synergy. Oh no, I don't have the chat anymore. I think she wrote because she really liked the EOS Audit report. Yeah, to support the audit community, because they still don't have a lot of funds. Yeah, that's it.
Margaret. Let's see, who do we have also? We have Sukanta elected delegate. Was someone with Sukanta in his group here? Let's see. No, I don't think we have someone in his group. Okay. And Nicola, of course, for EOSBs, I reckon.
Hey guys.
So what were your promises this time around? Where's EOSBs now?
Yeah, the promise was the same as before. It's just to help us found swarms that we make for the EOS community. And so yeah, so if you guys want an update on the bees, we are still growing. We have every week we have tens of new bees joining, thanks to our new referral system. And so we also managed to reduce the cost of the swarms. So this is why you can see on Pomelo, like the pricing of the swarm, how much it costs, it's lower than the previous seasons. So we are making some upgrades, improvements on that. So we are very glad. And so yeah, we will keep swarming thanks to our EOS Respect funds and Pomelo funds. Tweets from that we consider like very worth being swarmed, and so yeah, this is the plan, and the plan is to make EOS like being known by the whole crypto community by moving those metrics of engagement and sentiment, which we believe are very important. And so, I think we're going to see huge result to help this narrative of EOS return. And so, yeah, this is the plan.
Great to hear as well. Yeah, so for months now, we've had Pomelo seasons for building the infrastructure of EOS, building the Anchor wallet, everything. It's great to see now that we are in the growth phase. So yeah, more projects like EOS Synergy, like our community here, like the EOSBs, and all of them working together to promote EOS. So that's a great thing to see this time around in Pomelo season. Even more projects are there for the growth of EOS, which is the phase we need the most now.
Yeah, and by the way, I just want to say that the last two, so not this one, the last two EOS Respect election, the fund because the rules of Pomelo changed, so I can't give directly to USBs on Pomelo. So what I did is that I had like more than 660 EOS from the last two Respect election. I just gave like 500 to the treasury of EOS Bs, so directly on the EOS account. And then I gave like the 160. I gave 50 to EOS Respect on Pomelo. I gave like 30, and then I give 37 for ZEOS, 37 for EOS Vietnam, run by THOC, and 37 to EOS Turkey. So that's why I think please everyone. Because yeah, at the time the EOS Respect took place, it was before we knew the new rule of you can't give to your own grant. So done it like that.
All right. So a quick reminder for everyone as well, I'd like to delegate this time around. Think about also completing the accounting work on the Monday board. If you need any help on that, there's a Notion with everything described to list your promises and of course how your project goes. So for every project you pledge yourself to donate to, let us know on the accounting work on Monday how it goes from each election to the next. Remember to do that after the elections.
Yeah, and I want to thank Dario because he's the one who messaged me yesterday saying that I had to do all of that and I haven't. So thank you, Dario, to took the time to explain me everything. And yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So we are always here. As you said, if you need any help with the accounting work or anything, we're happy to take the time. So as always, we are your support. So open questions are kind of our thing. So reach out to us anytime, any day, and we'll take the time to help you do the accounting work. All right, and we are finalizing the first round in 5 minutes. Until then, let's see.
So this time, basically, we can instantly donate to the Pomelo season 5, right? And for the next bit of funds, which we get normally after the next election, this one we will then postpone for the upcoming season. Or what is the best practice in this case when we are like had the election during a running Pomelo season?
That's what I believe.
So as long as you're not on the support team, we've posted the roles and everything that shows you who you can donate to. If you're not on your support team as a live agent, you're happy to donate to your support as always. And it just goes for me and the others involved in EOS Synergy, EOS Earn and Learn, and EOS Audit. We cannot donate to ourselves, but as long as you're not officially on part of the team, you can happily donate on Pomelo to any project. That's the only rule. Same goes for the bees and your support. But yeah, if you're not an active live agent on your support, you're happy to donate to your support and to other grants as well. And if in any case, if you want to donate to a project that's your own, just do direct donations. That will go fine. And yeah, thank you everyone so far who has donated to the EOS Support affiliated grants. Again, EOS Synergy, EOS Audit. We are doing a lot to make sure we have everything ready to make it the best DAM ecosystem ever for public goods on EOS. And as always, well, these are fun events. I've been very pleased with doing the Eden elections in the past, and having another events such as this one to manage the respect distribution amongst our projects and community of everyone who brings value to our EOS community. Well, that's an amazing thing. Great to have this event as well. It's fun, and we support our public goods. Let's see. Oui. And 2 minutes left for the round 1 to finalize. Right. So yeah, great election so far. We've had a consensus in all the groups. All the groups were mostly filled, which is nice. Remember to post the recording of your video after the event. We'll not overload the servers now.
Will there be a second round now?
Yeah, that's a surprise, isn't it?
Could, I mean,
with 6 people, I doubt it. I don't think so.
Yeah.
We'll see.
I mean, but we have 6 delegates now. Like,
yeah. We'll see in 2 minutes if we have a second round or not.
what do you guys think about the EOS fractally approach? Like, it's pretty much. I mean, it's not that.
One moment. The new legend joined, so maybe he can present as well.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And Sukanta maybe also should join soon.
Yeah.
No, he's here. Nice. Welcome back, Sukanta.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
If you want to jump on board real quick, let us know what you were elected for as a delegate this time around in your group. What would you discussing?
Yeah, this time I promised to donate to DefiBox IBC 50% of the fund and the rest to EOS audit.
Well, thank you. Good of you to support EOS audit as well, which helps a lot this community and will be of great help to EOS Respect, helping us have all the information we need to validate and make our project accountable. Well, thank you. And we have the new legend as well. Let us know how your group went.
Yeah, it was great actually. Group was very supportive, you know, and yeah. Thanks to all the members in the group. And can you hear me?
Yeah, perfectly.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So I was actually representing Artem. He's a developer doing some cool projects. So I'm gonna put that links in chat. So.
Okay. Let's see.
So these are the projects that I'm going to support this season of this election. So I've been testing that products in the last few weeks with him, testing the first 2 projects, and the other is a collection for the developers, all the chains and info. So he's writing their files and making that accessible to all developers. So he's a developer and he's a very good one. And he's, like any developer, he's lacking the support and the funds. So he's, the first one is ADEX. It's a DEX, and yeah, it's getting there. It has the SAP functions in the testnet, so it's working fine. Tested that with him. And the other one is the new chat. So it's a chat. We can chat using our EOS accounts. So only we, with our private key, can decrypt that message, and we can make sure the message is being sent from that EOS account. So for us, for the election, so we have our registered EOS accounts, and we can use that to chat securely with others. So, and the other is the collection. So these are 3 other projects I'm going to support this season with the funds.
Right, great picks. And you about ADEX and non-tool protocol, both very good projects. Well, thank you for reaching consensus on these ones.
I just want to add quickly, the antelope call is not an affiliated EOS support project, so you will not be able to donate to this one. But ADEX and NewChat are fine. Yeah, they are. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for that.
Simply reach out to them and let them know that they can reach out also to us to be affiliated. And as soon as
it's the same guy. So yeah, I'll talk to them. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I it's because I wanted to do the same, and yeah, it was this the answer from Randall. Yeah, that Antelope Call is not affiliated. So So you can only do through AJAX and new chat for now. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
it's official. The elections have ended, and we have 6 chief delegates. So congratulations to Veronica, Marco, Marcus, Jiyoung, the legend, Sukanta, and Nicola. All 6 of you are our new delegates for this election of EOS Respect. Congratulations. And so close to having a second round this time around. So thank you all for coming again to EOS Respect election. It has been growing, so we've never had a more successful election, I think. All groups found consensus. We have our 6 delegates, and very soon, we're seeing it now, we are growing, so soon and we'll have a second round and third round maybe someday. So thank you all for making all this possible. And well, trusting that EOS Respect can bring good to the EOS community through accountability and transparency on our projects.
Yeah, I do have a doubt. Can I ask that here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So, these funds, can I donate it through Pomelo, or can I just send it to him? Is there any problem for me to donate it through Pomelo?
You can donate through Pomelo, that's no problem. As long as the project is affiliated with EOS Support, you can donate to them on Pomelo, you can donate to them on direct grants. You don't only have to respect the Pomelo rules, which is not to be the project owner or a member of the team. As long as that's good, you're welcome to donate to them on Pomelo directly. And we welcome you to do that because, of course, they'll be having more matching donations, and will be even better because everyone can see also you donated to other projects, and that those donations came from EOS Respect as well. So where is all this money coming from? Well, we have a great community, EOS Respect. We reach consensus on the best damn projects and public goods on EOS, and we help do the donations. So
yeah, it's something that I was asked in a group. So actually, so I'm kind of representing this project. So I'm not part of the team. Yeah, so I think it's fine. Just confirming.
Great.
The idea of EOS Respect is that we donate to other projects, and so everybody sees who is giving, and then others will also donate to yours. So it needs a little bit trust that your own projects also will get funds. And the idea is to trust each one and donate to other projects, not to yours.
Now the goal is to spread as much as we can the donations. So having people in EOS Respect elections in their own group reach consensus on not one, but many different projects. That way there's more donations that are flowing to more different people, and everyone involved in EOS Respect, all the affiliated projects in the end benefit from it. So more visibility for each one of them, and that way we can all reach higher visibility altogether. That's the goal. Web3 plus trust equals respect. EOS Respect from Mac in the chat. Awesome.
Yeah.
And so, if you need any help after the elections with the reporting work, how the accountability works, we have the Notion page for EOS Respect you'll have access to. But don't hesitate to reach out to us at any time if you can remember how to properly do the accounting work from one election to the next if you're a delegate. But I reckon we have some pretty professional delegates this time around. Veronica, Nicola, Marco, all experienced, Sukanta as well. So the new legend as well, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us on how the accounting works, or just check out the Notion.
Yeah, I just have to leave you guys now. I have to go. Thank you again for everyone. Bishop, Dario, for your help. Bishop, for your amazing presentation skills. And so, thank you again for the selection.
Congrats on being a delegate again, Nicola.
Thank you,
have
Bishop.
a great day.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye, guys.
Bye, Nicola.
Yeah, Nicola, just like me, is in France, and it's close around lunchtime here, getting late. I don't know. I won't be staying long as well.
Same.
Don't miss out lunch.
Going to go back to working on your synergy and everything. Pomelo season is a lot of work, as always. Lots of people to see with the interviews, collaborations, making sure we spread all the love we can get to all the affiliated projects on EOS. So that's the great thing also I love to do now with the shows and interviews. Now that we have EOS Respect as well, I can share more visibility to all affiliated projects. So it's been great seeing the number and list of all the EOS Support affiliated projects grow over time. We have so many now, and now I can perfectly give for all of them all the visibility they deserve, now that we know each other better through EOS Respect. So that's kind of the first way this community has worked, because now we kind of all better know each other. We have a full list of all the EOS Support affiliated projects. We can recognize each other and spread donations among all our community. So we all benefit from it, I reckon. It's at least my viewpoint for how the EOS Respect has been going so far.
Yeah, I think it's great how EOS Respect was set up, because when you compare to Eden on EOS, you don't have this fractally aspect integrated into it. I mean, the Eden fractal is there, but it's not a direct part of Eden on EOS. They just use the fractal process and meet every week, like 3 times. So I think it's just like the best of both worlds with EOS Respect. And I really like how the numbers are growing of participation, because that will really, like this call would probably be 5 times as long as if we had 5 times much more members, you know, like, and I'm really looking forward to those kind of things, and yeah, it's great to see it happen.
I can say this, I've been participating in all 3 from the very beginning, and this one gets the most done. I think it's a coordinated efforts. You have the Slack, it's no nonsense. The Monday, everything is well organized to move forward on a mission, but it also allows people to be independent. And that's a big deal as well. You see even though the Eden chief delegates and global ones are trying to work together, it's a big hurdle to get it done. EOS Respect is really something that both of them probably learn from, getting things done.
Agreed. It's a great thing that we have managed to spin up this community as a decentralized one, and autonomous. So you asked a question earlier about how does the Eden elections that we have compare to Fractally, what is maybe best. Well, I kind of loved what Fractally was doing with the elections, splitting at the end the first group into 2 different groups, having only 3 people elected in the first wave. So we have more knowledgeable people in the second wave. That was kind of interesting. So I reckon our system will evolve over time. We reach consensus if we need to improve it on the elections. We'll see how that goes down the line. But so far, it's been great seeing just our small community grow and having more and more people at each election. For the 7th one, let's go. And so, yeah, great to have been able to host such a successful election this time around. Full votes on every group. That's nice.
Hey guys, I gotta hit the road pretty soon, so I'm gonna take off.
Yeah, same. You have 5 minutes, and then I would be gone as well.
Well, happy to stay a bit longer then. 5 minutes is nothing. I can wait that long to lunch.
Yeah, but, I mean, I would just do different stuff in parallel.
So
the elections are every month, exactly? Like okay, and like the time zone is working for everybody was signed up, because I think that's maybe something, I'm not sure. I mean, for me, it's at this stage like really important to get to don't because we have this influx of new members to use that and keep on expanding on this, because the more the better, in my opinion.
Yeah.
And the more exciting it gets, and the more the network effect takes place, like just indirectly, like by because it's I don't have to iterate on that, I think.
No, as per the time zone, we selected the time zone and date and time for the EOS Respect elections based on what was best for everyone. As we can see, well, it works pretty well. We have people from India, Korea, France, the States. We have people all over the world, and now, well, seems like the best time. We have seen that as we can get as many people to join as possible during it around this time. Yeah, it kind of seems like the best solution for everyone.
So only like people who are really like in the east of Asia might be too late for them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And maybe someday, I mean, I've envisioned it. I maybe think that maybe someday we'll have different EOS Respect communities around all the world, because of course the EOS Respect is for financing the public goods on EOS and all the people that bring value to the EOS community. But if some communities want to start their own funding for their own public goods, they'll need also, well, some basis to form their funding distribution upon. And EOS Respect is always also here to pioneer on that front. So maybe someday we'll have different communities for different time zones as we grow. And I reckon that will be the case someday if we continue to grow. We'll see.
All right. We will see. Exactly.
There's so many public goods to fund around the world. And what we're doing here is not only for the EOS community, but it's pioneering a new way to do it for others as well, around our local communities and the countries worldwide. So first, see how that works for us. And after that, we can help others, well, do the same for the public goods and funding the projects in the local communities, all the people contributing, and see how we've done it.
Leading by example. So
leading by example, exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Let's hope it works.
Yeah. And for your support, that's kind of everything that we've been doing so far, leading by example, proving everyone we are transparent first and foremost, doing all the reports, all the analytics, leaving nothing behind of the data and everything that we do. So we want that as well for all our affiliated projects and the EOS Respect as well. That way, just like EOS Support, every project can show the same level of transparency and help us build a more trusting ecosystem between all of us. And down the line, yeah, we'll share all that with everyone. And EOS Support is also there for that, because EOS Support, one of our great jobs will be to help other organizations spin up their own EOS Respect or their own local political payoffs systems as well. The more people recognize this works, the more people will want to enjoy it for themselves. And EOS Support will also be there for that.
Yeah, great.
And so, quick reminder.
How many are left? We are 14. That's what it says for me, at least.
Yep, correct.
Okay.
So remember after the elections to post the video for the recording in your room, if you have it. If you have any questions, again, for all the accounting work as a delegate, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We have the Notion page with all the process, but if you have any question, as always, highly welcome to reach out to us. And I'll see you all for the next elections. And before then, even, if anyone of you wants to come into the giveaway show, if you want to reach out to us, speak about your Pomelo grant or the projects you are donating to, you're highly welcome to jump into the giveaway show this Thursday as well and see me there. Always glad to host and give you visibility for your projects or the ones you donate to. on that note, I'll leave you all to lunch. Thank you all for coming here today. Again, a very successful action. We have grown so much since the first one, and that's all thanks to you. So the room is still open if you want to hang around, and I'll see you all at the next one. Everyone, take care and have a great day, evening, afternoon, and see you.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you, Bishop.
Bye.
Yeah.
Much love, everyone.
guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
So,
Enjoy your day.
anything to share? Anybody else?
I'm trying to wrap my head around UX right now. Are you familiar with it?
UX?
UX network. Yeah, I created an account yesterday. Like I found it like interesting that it costs like 12 euros just to create it.
It seemed like a little bit of something special, no? Like
I've been there from beginning actually, because it's Warbly. You heard about Warbly maybe, Dominic, who was setting up a couple of years back.
Yeah.
That was aiming to be a commercial business, commercial things, and fulfilling regulations, etc., etc. A couple of years down the road, UX took over, or UTX, or well, another name in the background, and they shaped it into UX networks. So I was transitioning from Warbly to UX for whatever Warbly I had, and similar. It was automatic, just a few clicks. But also now they are more of a commercial side of things. And that's KYC. I'm not sure. I haven't really read up on current position, but it's kind of, it was, of course, KYC proper with Warbly, and they continue that into UX. I'm not sure how hard they are now, if they got two different types. KYC for the commercial side, and maybe have a more looser one. UX also is involved in bigger protocol that's coming up there. So it's turning into quite a beast. And it's got a long history in that sense. I did research it back when Warbly passed it over, English-based at the time, that time. So, but I haven't checked it. Money-wise, that sure sounds expensive to get an account. But just so, it is a reliable gang, let's put it that way. As far as I know, you can never be sure. It can be 10 years team.
cheap is cheap, right? Yeah, surely. The thing is, part of my Pomelo pitch from last season, I probably won't do one this season, is like to create video tutorials and so on. And I've been pretty active with creating these, and doing also like some discussion rounds with a friend of mine who has a YouTube channel in German, and we want to discuss in our next video how like what's the coalition, and like for newcomers, right? And I'm not sure what I mean. I know UX played a big part in the, or is playing a big part in the coalition, but I'm like Telos and Wax are more easy to put in the picture, you know, in the like I'm not sure how to frame UX part in all of this.
Yeah, I mainly vouch for them being a long time in the events here, similarly. But of course, I haven't bought any more UX or similar the last couple of years, because I got what I got there, and it was easy at that time. So I couldn't help you in any of that aspect. I see the discussions. You're not alone. There's a lot of people that are confused how to do things, and staking in UX and removing and whatever. So, but I haven't dialed into it. I'm just waiting for the rewards in the future, see what it becomes.
Yeah, I looked also some to, I think, 2029 and some to 2025. So let's see. Yeah.
It's interesting now with the new IBC, and like things are going together. Like I was also like reaching out. I thought, okay, let's make a Telos account, or let's try to send some EOS to Telos. And I tried it with Alcor Exchange, and couldn't arrive. It took like 7 days. That it arrived. First, there was no RAM on Telos. It's like I created the account, but there was no RAM on it, and I couldn't buy RAM without Telos, but I couldn't get Telos on the Telos account without having RAM there. So this was really strange and really, really difficult. Then I found somebody who helped me, who sent me some Telos. I could buy some RAM, but yeah, I also try to understand a little bit more this new situation, and hopefully in the next month create some tutorials also for people to understand, to make it more accessible, and also this inter-chain environment, which is yeah, a new situation for all of us.
Yeah, and it's incredible professional. Like if you look at Telos or Wax or UX, like those are all professional chains. Like EOS has a very effective foundation, like decision making wise. Telos had foundation since inception. Wax has this yeah, I don't know how to call it with the guilds, like this guild trust thing, and yeah, it's like this online market for goods, for digital goods, and UX is also like, if you just look at the website, and I mean it's pretty minimalistic in my opinion, but yeah, I haven't had the chance to read the white paper yet, so I shut up now. Yeah, but I think like the professional side of it, it's not like Windows founded like the Antelope Coalition or something. It's just that there was like, I mean, the ENF played a critical role, but the ENF is just like this one, yeah, like yeah, and I don't know. I think it's an institution which is just handling inflation, like directing inflation to things that benefit the network. And yeah, like I think that's something that is not like, I mean, if Berg One would have done it like 4 years ago, that would be probably the same thing, but in like professional, from the professional side of things, and that EOS and the Antelope Coalition has done this like in a way without like all this ICO stuff. I don't know. I think it's pretty it's a point that can be promoted to be very sympathetic. Like it's something that it's not like somebody wants to sell you something. It's if you look at it from outside, from my perspective, and that's kind of unique in EOS and the Antelope Coalition. Amen.
I'm gonna drop out, guys.
Yeah, same here.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, similar here. Take care all. Until next time.
Bye-bye.
And beyond.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Josh, you there?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll send a Zoom link. See you in a minute. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. I'll send you a Zoom link, Josh.
Okay.
Okay.